Stacey Solomon has shown off her amazing kitchen transformation with a huge 17,000 pounds oven in her stunning Essex home. The mother of four took to her Instagram stories to reveal she had installed cobbles on the wall behind the impressive cooker. 3. Stacey took to Instagram to show off her cooker credit. Instagram. 3. The star had stones installed behind the stunning Aga credit. Instagram/Stacey Solomon. Stacey, 32, has been busy putting the finishing touches to her kitchen after the installation of her fancy 17,430 pounds Aga last week. She documented the transformation of the kitchen wall, with a series of cobbles and stones, on Monday morning. So we felt like this wall needed a bit of something to make Audrey the Aga stand out, but to bring the outside cobbles inside because we love them so much, Stacey wrote. Showing off the plain white wall behind the oven, she continued, "So I bought some cobbled slips, thin slices of stone that go on the wall. I just feel like they really bring the wall to life and make it feel more cottagey. I think it really adds to the warmth and character." Revealing the finished product, which featured a number of mismatched stones placed behind the Aga, she said she was in love. It comes days after Stacey revealed how she had spruced up her 17,430 pounds posh Aga by giving it a brass trim. Stacey wrote on Instagram, "When we moved here, the Aga was the heart of the home, so we really wanted to keep it in the heart." The mom of four has transformed her bathroom, done up Sunrig's bathroom and created a cool games room for her fiancé Joe Swash. 2 weeks ago Stacey revealed the progress in the kitchen. She told her 5.1 meters followers, "We have one corner of a kitchen and I've never been so excited. Finally getting somewhere." It comes after she transformed old Chanel perfume bottles into a stylish shower gel holder and a diffuser. 3. Stacey added brass accents to her 17,000 pounds Aga credit. Instagram/Stacey Solomon.